Hey friends, thank you guys so much for watching. So today, you guys know how I like doing my Dollar Tree hauls? Everything's $1. Well, this time around, I'm doing a everything $3 haul. So everything in this box is $3 and it's a variety of like food, kitchen things, beauty. So I'm really excited to show you guys. And I actually purchased everything from this site called Brandless, and my mother-in-law, Sharon, told me about it. She actually, I don't know how she even heard about it, but she's like, this site sells everything for $3 and it's really cool because all their products, like the food is, or the products, they're all like paraben free, packaging is BPA free, and they even have, I should have purchased this, but they have like a toilet paper made of like bamboo instead of like paper. So it's really cool. But anyways, yeah, my mother-in-law Sharon told me about Brandless, and everything is $3. And the reason why is because I guess Justin was trying to explain it to me, but they don't charge, like this is like the real cost of the product. They don't like hike up the prices or charge you more because of like, I don't know, something like marketing costs or things like that. And they call it like a brand tax in a way, but they don't have their brand tax. So let's just go ahead and unbox everything, and I'm just so excited to show you guys. So the first thing, chocolate chip cookie thins. Oh my gosh, these look amazing. And since I'm here in the kitchen, let's just taste it. Let's just see. Oh, they're thin. That is good, and it says 7 cookies is 140 calories. It's non-GMO, no artificial color, flavors, preservatives, and it is brandless. And then I got some fusilli pasta because my boys like to eat pasta. I also got some green tea and aloe lotion, and guess how much, you guys? Can you guess? $3, of course. So this body lotion is soothing aloe, no parabens, no animal testing, and it's the green tea scent. And I chose to get a green tea scent because Method has a green tea dish soap, or like a foamy hand soap, and I love that smell. So I was like, oh, let me see. Let's see if it's, oh, so there's no seal, so I can actually test it out for you guys. Plus my hands are ashy anyway, so. Feels good, moisturizing. The green tea, it's not what I expected. It's like a subtle scent, like you can barely smell it. Like even, and then after using it, no, like you can't even smell it anymore. So it's good for people who don't like scents, but I was expecting it to smell stronger at least. And I like sniffing it so hard. And I don't think it's moisturizing for some reason. Like it doesn't, I don't know, like I'm just not, my first initial reaction, I'm not really liking the way it feels, because I like it to be a little creamier, like the Derma E lotion that I talked about before. But I'm not wasting this, I'm using this. It's gonna moisturize even a little bit if it could, you know? And then I got a lemon verbena body scrub, and I'm so excited. It is a cruelty-free body scrub, and I used to love making my own DIY body scrubs, but I don't know what happened. I got 2 kids now, and I'm like, DIY where? Like, what? What happened with my life? It smells so good, you guys. Ooh, I like this. This one, I'm totally loving. So I'm really excited to put this in my shower. I also got some organic applesauce pouches. My boys, they love applesauce pouches. So it comes with 4 for $3. And it looks like this. It's, oh my gosh, it's so, like, cute. Look at it, you guys. I mean, it doesn't matter how cute it looks. All that matters is that it tastes good. So I'll have my boys try it today and see. And it's also good for packing in their lunches and things like that. But it looks like this. So I decided to try their mouthwash. I'm kind of picky when it comes to mouthwash, but it doesn't hurt to try something new. And for the cost, I mean, $3 is a really good price, because like, how much are you paying for mouthwash sometimes? A whole lot more than that, right? So this is fluoride-free, alcohol-free, SLS-free, and it's in the peppermint scent. And I actually opened it. There was a seal. I just opened it because I just wanted to smell it. Everything that I try, it has to smell good. Like I can't, it has to have no scent or it has to smell good for me to actually like want to use it. Are you guys that same way? Like you're like driven by scents, or like if something smells bad you can't use it? Like that's just me. There's no artificial colors. So I'm really excited to try it. The main ingredient is water, xylitol, sorbitol, glycerin, aloe. Good to know. And then there's peppermint oil and tea tree. So yeah. So next I got honey, and honey can get expensive, you guys. So this is really nice. The packaging, it's 8 ounces and it's organic, gluten-free. True source is certified, it says. Do not feed honey to infants under 1 year of age. Yes, absolutely, don't do it, you guys. Jakey actually turned 1 recently, and we went to this art and wine festival, and they had like honey samples, so I grabbed one, put it on my finger. My finger was clean. I let Jakey try honey for the first time. He went crazy that he bit my finger so hard and he would not let go. Like my finger had like a bite mark on it for like a while, for a few hours, and I screamed in pain, like in public, like a crazy lady. I just thought I'd share that story, but let's go ahead and try this honey and see if it's good. It is good. I can't wait to put it in my tea because that's mainly what I use honey for. And I also got some extra virgin olive oil spray to, like, you know, spray pans when I cook eggs or anything that I cook. I'm really excited because I've only seen like coconut oil, but I don't think I've ever seen extra virgin olive oil spray, so I'm really excited about that. You guys, I got a new peeler. So I was making this HelloFresh meal and I needed a peeler, and I couldn't find one anymore, and I don't know if we lost it in our kitchen. I have no clue, or when we moved to this house, but I couldn't find my peeler, so I had to buy one, and for $3, not so bad. I also got some tongs. So here's the thing, I love using tongs for like flipping like random things, and my boy Liam loves tongs too, and I feel like this is awesome. Like it's smaller than a usual tong. Actually, let me get one that I have to compare sizing. Yeah, so check out this one. This is my big tong. Ooh, I actually need to throw it out. Do you guys see that? That's when you know you need to get rid of it. Do you see that? So thank goodness I have a new one. But you guys can see the size is completely different. It's like, this is like half the size. Really excited about it though, you guys. And I also got some new dishcloth. I think it comes in a pack of 2 and it came in like this plastic container. And let's feel it, because it's all about how it's good. It's really good. And I use dishcloths mainly to wipe down counters and things like that, but I also use it to wipe down Jakey's face, and if it's soft enough, it's good. So I also got some organic green tea, and it is a 20 pack, and it looks like this, and they're individually wrapped. I also went a little crazy with the green tea, not knowing that it wasn't gonna smell exactly like I had hoped. But I got the green tea and aloe body wash by Brandless as well. And this is a 10 fluid ounce, and it's soothing oatmeal extract. So I like oatmeal extract because it helps with like eczema, dry skin, and things like that. And it's sulfate free, no phthalates, no animal testing, and it is Brandless. So I decided to try their sesame ginger dressing. I am obsessed with sesame ginger dressing, but not all types from like the grocery store are good. I actually haven't found one that I really like yet, unless you go to the Japanese store. I think it's called something Pietro something. Okay, so let's just give this a try. I'm really hopeful. Let me just try the one from here on the cap. It's pretty good. It is pretty good, but I feel like it needs more salt. So maybe I will add salt to it, but so far so good. I would actually put that like on eggs and on a salad, for sure. And then I got some maple syrup, and you guys know, we're gonna have to taste test this. And by the way, new spoon, okay? This is a new spoon. That's the joy of editing. It doesn't look like we like took a break and got a new spoon. Oh my gosh, I feel like the guy in Elf. I'm actually eating syrup like with nothing. Like that guy in Elf, he like eats it with like spaghetti. Ooh, that is good. That is very good. Yeah, so I'm really into this. And let's read about it. It's organic, 100% pure, amber color, rich taste. Good stuff, you guys. And it is 6.7 fluid ounces. I also got a new whisk. I have about 3, but they're like small, and then I have this one really cute green one, but I needed one for like every day, so this is the one. And I love all the Brandless handles. Like, I feel like they have like a trademark type of handle, and it's got like some kind of, I don't know how to describe the way it feels, but it's really nice to hold on to, and it's comfortable like when I'm cooking. Like, I don't know how to describe it, but it's very soft. So I decided to pick up some soup because Justin loves like creamy tomato basil and roasted red pepper. So I got both of those guys, and they are both 11.5 ounces, organic, no artificial color or flavors, and no preservatives. And I would taste test it, but then like if we don't eat it, it would go bad. So if you guys are ever watching our vlog, shameless plug-in, April Justin TV, go subscribe. You guys will hear us talk about it whenever we decide to try it. I promise you guys, and we'll let you know whether or not we like the taste. But anything that says creamy tomato basil, I mean, I love it. So I'm sure that I'll love it too. So, but I don't know which one I would love more, roasted red pepper, because oh my gosh, Trader Joe's, they sell a really good one, so hopefully it tastes just as good as the Trader Joe's one. So we were running low on dish soap, so I wanted to get some, and Brandless had some. This one is a balsamic greens and grapefruit scent. It is 16.5 fluid ounces, EPA Safer Choice certified, non-toxic formula, no dyes, removes grease. And it has no phthalates or parabens, no chemical residue, no animal testing. And you know, the packaging is very beautiful, but that really doesn't matter, right? Because like, I actually put our dish soap in a little dispenser that like pumps it out. And it smells really good. It's a nice, pleasant scent. I don't understand the balsamic green scent to it, but I do smell the grapefruit. But I don't know what balsamic green smells like, to be honest, but it smells good. And the last thing I got is foaming soap. It's eucalyptus and lavender scented. And Justin loves foamy soaps. And the kids too, it's easy. They just do 1 pump or 2 and they're good to go. And this smells really good. And it's just a nice plain packaging, and the way I judge foamy soap is whether or not it pumps easily, because Liam gets frustrated if it can't pump easily, and it does, so thank goodness for that. Anyways friends, those were all the wonderful things that I purchased on the Brandless site. Like I mentioned, this video is not sponsored. I purchased everything, and I'm so grateful my mother-in-law Sharon told me about this store because it's so fun to shop. It's like everything $3. If you guys want to check out Brandless, I will provide my invite link. An invite link is something that everyone can have. You can just invite your friends, and when your friends makes like their first Brandless purchase, you get like a $6 credit to shop the site, and then I will also get a $6 credit. So it's also fun to, you know, give your invite links to friends and things like that. And since you guys are my friends, we're gonna just do this. So whether or not you choose to shop my invite link, definitely try it out. Just search brandless.com and you'll find it, and let me know what you guys decide to purchase. I'm so excited. Like, send me pictures. I can't wait to see. Like, tell me your recommendations, because there's so many different snacks that I have not tried on that site. I'm actually really interested in like some of like I saw like these chip looking ones, so I'm really interested in that. But again, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed my $3 haul, because it's usually dollar make you holler type of hauls, but today is $3. But I appreciate you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!